Good evening everyone, my name is Linda Rossi, my register number is ur15cs223. Today we are going to see the program related to interface. So now I have been asked to develop an application in Java which is used for automating the banking operation using interfaces. We are asked to create an interface called accountable which contains the functions for depositing, withdrawing and balance to find the balance inquiry, and then we are asked to create two classes which implements the accountable interface, and then we are asked to do menu driven options to deposit, withdraw and for balancing the inquiry. So now let me show you the program coding. So now here I have a package called inter which contains a main class called as banking, and then after that I have an interface called accountable which contains three functions, which is void deposit int value, void withdraw int sum and void check balance. So now implicitly this is actually a public and static methods, and then after that I have two classes, that is current account and saving account, which implements the interface called accountable. So now for the current account I have three functions, that is I am overriding the three functions deposit, withdraw and check balance. So now I have a static variable which is called as balance to increment the balance. So now in this I have balance is equal to balance plus value. So every time you deposit any amount, it gets added to the existing balance, and then for withdraw I am subtracting from the balance which is already there, and then check balance I am displaying the variable called balance. And then in the savings account I have the same three functions which are overridden by using the same logic, and then after that I have a main class which is called as banking, and then I have a do while loop to use this to enable the menu driven options. So now here I have a menu, that is the user can opt for which account to choose. If the user presses 1, it will be the current account, and for 2 for the savings account. So based on this choice some operations are carried out. So I have used a if statement here. So now if it is 1, then the current account is accessed. If it's 2, then the savings account is accessed. So now here I have created objects for the current account and for the savings account. So after creating the objects, so if it is 1, then I am displaying another menu to the user as to deposit, withdraw or to inquire the balance. And then I am using the simple switch case statement, and using the variable of the using an object of the current account or saving account class, I am accessing the values like ca.deposit and I am passing the value, the how much ever the money the user wants to deposit, I am passing that value as an argument to the function, and then that function gets invoked. So now using the instance of that class, I am accessing the functions like ca.withdraw of sum and then ca.check balance. And then if it is 2, then the savings account is invoked, but here only thing is we are using the object of the savings account. So here it is SA, here I have created the objects, so using that I have invoked the functions, and this runs as long as the user wants to continue the process. So now the output. So now enter which account to use. So I am using the current account. So I am entering option 1 to deposit money. I am depositing some money like 35,000, and then there's a statement called amount deposited, and then after that I want to continue this, so I am giving Y, and again which account do you want to use. So now here I am giving the current account again, and I want to withdraw 500 rupees. So withdraw 500, and then again I am using the current account. Here I am checking the balance. So now we can see that first I have deposited 35,000 and then I have withdrawn 500,000, and then the balance is shown to us as 34,500. Thank you.